here we go. I think I've got everything. A calculator, I've got that, notes, let's go.
Good morning, good morning. I have just completed my to-do list for today. I've actually used Notion today. Usually I either write it in my diary or just sort of write it on a piece of paper, but I'm trying to get back into Notion. So this is my to-do list, and I've split it up into my different topics, or my different courses really, and then I've got YouTube down the end. I need to get all of this done today because I need to just do some revision on some quizzes. I've split it up and I've actually timed this section. So I'm actually starting in 7 minutes. I need a shower. But yeah, I've timed this section and then I've got dinner. I've done more of a schedule here for my quizzes, and then I'm going to try and get all those revision quizzes done, and then I'm going to do my online test. That's the deadline tomorrow at 9, so I need to get that done. I might not stick to these times. It might take me less time, it might take me more, I don't know. I've also got another coursework here, which is a maths workshop, and we've also got a test for that as well, so let me add that on. Okay, this is what I've done. So I just needed to add my online test in here, just kind of summarising the course. So I need to watch some videos for that, and then I've also got some coursework questions to complete by Friday. I'm not sure of the time, but I'm going to get it done by Friday anyway. I need a shower. I'm showered. I'm very aware that I need a haircut, but we'll just ignore that. My hair's wet, it's not greasy, so you know, I'm not lying to you, I have just had a shower. Okay, we are a little bit behind on our time schedule, but I don't want to stick to it too much. I didn't drink all my green tea, but never mind. Okay, I'm going to start with 2 quizzes. It's currently 11:45 and I need to do 2 revision quizzes, and then I might not get both of them done actually. I might just get one of them done. We'll just see what happens. I don't actually think I've already told you what I'm actually doing today, so I've also got a bit sniffly. I always do this after I've had a shower. It also might be this jumper because I've not worn it for a long time, making me sneeze a bit, but let me have a glass of water, one moment. Let me go and get a water. Water. Okay, let's try that one again. I've got my water. So yeah, what I'm doing is we've got a quiz or like online test today. We don't have to do it today. It was either yesterday, today, because it shuts tomorrow at 9, so we've got to get that done. It's kind of like a summary quiz of everything that we've learned, but it's only from week 6 to 10 because we've already done the other one in my other online exam vlog. We did week 1 to 5 in that one. So the quiz today, the quiz that I'm going to do today is on week 6 to 10. We're in week 11, but they're not assessing the stuff that we've done in week 11. So what I'm going to do is all the quizzes on my to-do list, and those quizzes on my to-do list are kind of quizzes that we have after videos that we watch, or they're just quizzes that relate to our course, and they're the kind of questions we're going to get in the big test that I'm going to do at the end of today. So I'm going to revise using those quizzes. Anything I'm unsure of, go and watch the videos, go and look up in my notes, and then hopefully we will do well on the test. So yeah, I'm going to get working, and I'm just looking what I need to do. It's my calculus and vectors course if anyone's interested. I've already done the week 6 stuff. I did that yesterday, so we're starting with week 7. I have already done the quizzes. We do them as we're watching the videos, but it's just good revision to do them again.
The quiz I've actually just clicked on, I've not done. So that's a lie, I haven't done them all, but I did quite a few of them. Okay, I'm going to attempt the quiz now. I've finished my first quiz, so I can actually go and tick that off. We are about 15 minutes behind schedule, but you know what, it's fine because we're going to get it all done. Tick that one off. For anybody wondering, this is kind of what I'm doing. So I'm not making neat notes while I do these quizzes, because if we go... I'm also using GoodNotes, by the way. If you've watched my video on how I take my notes, you might be a bit surprised that I'm using GoodNotes, but I bought it the other week, and I've used it for about 3 weeks, maybe, about a month actually, maybe, and I actually really like it, so I'm kind of flicking between Notability and GoodNotes, but yeah, I do all my neat notes like this when I'm watching the videos and I'm in my lectures and things, and then I do my example sheets. But when I'm doing these quizzes, so revision quizzes, I just like to kind of jot notes down. So I've just got a blank page and I don't really write very neatly, and it's, you know, it's all a bit too big for nice notes, and that's how I'm doing it. So they're not too useful, these notes, when I come back to them, but it's all right, because if we go into the quizzes here, I think you can review your quizzes and look at your answers so you can see what the question was. 100%. Look at that. I don't complete the quiz until I get 100% because I like to, you know that I've done it completely right. I'm out of focus, I'm back in focus. Yeah, we're a little bit behind schedule, but that's okay. I might actually just see how many more quizzes I've got to do for week 7, because I've done half of them. Four more quizzes. That's probably going to take me, yeah, about half an hour. But I need to just go and see the guinea pigs, check they're all right, and I also want some dinner as well. So I'm probably going to do those quizzes when I get back from the guinea pigs. Just before I go, I am actually just going to open my blind because I need to do that, so you can do it with me. Oh, it's an awful day. I've had my dinner. I actually forgot to vlog it. My plate is still here. I've not had my yogurt yet, so I might have my yogurt. I had some pizza and some crisps. Very healthy. Look what I can do. I can now tick off this one as well. So I've done those 2 from week 7. I've done the first one from week 8. I was supposed to have finished it 25 minutes or 26 minutes ago. It's 26 minutes past 2, but that's okay because now we can just move on to week 8 review session 2 quizzes. It's going all right. It is okay. There's some bits that I must have missed the videos or something. In the second half of week 7, I was a little bit confused on that quiz. Questions I've never seen before. And by the way, these quizzes are only just revision for me. They're not being assessed at all. You don't have to do them. They're just there for us. So I'm just working through them. There's only about 2 or 3 questions on each quiz. Sometimes there's just 1 and you don't even have to do any maths. You can do it in your head, which is great. I'm now going to carry on with these quizzes, and I'm probably going to be here for the rest of the day. So fun. Okay. Hello, it's me again. We are quite far behind now, I won't lie. I did have some dinner, then I had a break, and then, well, I didn't have a break, I just had some dinner while I had my break. I think I've told you this, I'm not sure, but we can tick off and finish this. We're still half an hour behind because we're not going to have a break now. We're going to go straight on to the week 9 quizzes. So we've got kind of like these 4 to do, but in these 4, like this has maybe 4 quizzes, this has 3 quizzes, so, but we need to do the test at the end of today, so hopefully we don't run out of time. Hopefully we manage to revise all the topics, but I'm going to crack on with my other quizzes. That's a lie. I'm going to eat my Activia first, then do the quizzes. Update, we are on to the last quiz. I have just read my group chat because obviously people in my class have done it. I read my group chat on WhatsApp and people were saying that there's week 11 stuff on the test. Week 11 was line integrals and they had some of that on the test. So we might not be on the last quiz. I might just watch the videos from this week because obviously it's fresh in my mind we did it this week. But I'm probably just going to revise week 10, have a little break. We are on track actually to do these week 10 quizzes. We've caught up quite quickly. The other quizzes in like week 9 were quite easy. We've just got one more quiz to do now, which is week 10, which if anybody's interested, this is what it's on. So give me a minute. Oh no, yeah, the first half of last week was on area integrals and the second half of last week was on line integrals. So what was this week? I can't remember. I thought line integrals was week 11. Oh, it was on all the theorems and things. So yes, we will have line integrals because that was week 10. So let's revise those now. I've not done my test yet. I've just been sat here on my phone. It's currently 6 o'clock. I've been through everything that I need to go through, revised as much as I can. And my plan was to start the test at 6 o'clock. So, you know, it's only 10 past. It's actually 8 minutes past. So we're only 8 minutes behind our scheduled plan of the day. But I need to get rid of my phone because I was just scrolling on Twitter and that's a very bad thing to do. So let's go and get rid of it. Look how dirty this board is. That's how much maths I've been doing today. So I'm going to start my test. I might do the test on my whiteboard so I can get up and kind of talk out loud. I don't really know. I haven't thought about it. The only thing is with that, I don't have it stored on my iPad. No, I'm going to do it on my iPad and then I've got it all stored so I don't, you know, I don't have to keep rubbing it off the board and stuff. So that's that decision made. Going to do a time lapse of my exam. Now for some reason, just bear with me a minute while I attach this to my camera. Oh, he spun around. Yeah, for some reason my camera cuts off after 15 minutes. I don't know why, it always does it. I can only then do a time lapse of my exam for 15 minutes. I'll sit you somewhere on the shelf or over here so you can see a little bit of my exam, but I don't want to keep switching my camera on and off. I might do if I'm not finding the exam too hard, but I don't want to get distracted. So, let's log on. I need to get this done. Let me try and think where it is. I think it's in the week 11 folder. Week 11 coursework test. It's worth 10%. We can only have one attempt, and once you begin, you have 45 minutes to complete the test. Okay, my water has been filled up. I also made myself a coffee. I've drank all that to give me a bit of energy. That can go in the bin. I actually have no idea where the day has gone today. I literally woke up, I've done quizzes, I've revised all day, and now it's time to do the test. And I've got to do it today because it's due for 9 tomorrow. I'm going to just take my cup down, and I've got another cup here. I don't think I need to take anything else down. Oh, the spoon's in here. Okay, right, let's go down. Right, I'm back. So, for anybody wondering, we've got 45 minutes to do the test. Like I said, decided I'm gonna just sit down and do the test normally, just do it on my iPad, and I'm gonna be doing it like I did the other ones. I'm not gonna do perfect solutions. I just wanna kind of jot my ideas down and do my solutions, not scruffy, but not as neat as my normal notes. If anyone wondering, I'm gonna be doing them in GoodNotes. The reason for that is because what I like about GoodNotes here is it opens your other notebooks that you've got open. So these are all the notes that I did today when I was doing the revision quizzes. So what I could do is if I get stuck, because obviously we're at home, it's open book, we can look at notes and things. I can jump to, for example, week 7. That's week 7, week 8, week 9, week 10. And I can just jump to week 7 and see if there's a similar question with similar notes here. My camera battery is going to die, so hopefully that made sense. I can't talk for too long. I'm going to just go and change my battery, and while I'm doing that, hopefully these videos aren't too similar. I was thinking about vlogging the whole week, and I thought, well no, because I'm just going to do the same thing each week. So hopefully you are enjoying these videos and it's not like too similar to my other vlogs, but it's literally what I'm doing each day, and you know, I'm just vlogging it and bringing you along with me. So yeah, it's a bit similar to my other vlogs, but hopefully you enjoy them. Let me know in the comments. And I'm going to change my camera battery, and then I'm going to start my exam. Here we go. I think I've got everything. Calculator, I've got that. Notes. Let's go. Okay, about to press finish attempt. I also need the toilet. I've checked them all. So let's press finish attempt. Here's my reaction. Answers have saved them all. We have 50 seconds left, but I'm just going to submit and finish them all. Here's my score. 7 out of 10. I'm pleased with that one. I am pleased with that one. Oh, look at this. Always a blooming sign error. 4/3, and it was -4/3. I don't know what happened there, but we're okay. Right, let me check my answers. Question 1 was wrong. Question 2 correct. 3 was correct. 4 was correct. 5 was incorrect. Oh, it was a minimum. I was really confused by this one because, let me just show you. So we had this function here, as you can see, it's focusing. We had this function, and what we had to do is, well, it's got A and B's in and all that, so what we had to do was we had to work out what the critical point was, whether it had a type of critical point, and we had to work out, oh, the origin! Oh my god, it said the origin. So we could just put 0 in. I don't know where that comes from. I'm not sure, but it was a minimum and I put it as a saddle. But never mind. Okay, let's carry on. So question 6 was correct, 7 was correct, 8 was 0. Question 8 was 0. Why was it 0? Not too sure about why that one was 0, but anyway. Question 9 was correct and 10 was correct. So the ones that I got wrong was the first question because it was a sign error, annoyingly. The next one was because I was unsure how to answer it, that's fine. And the next one was an integral one, so we're all right. We know what we need to focus on. Line integrals, not doing sign errors, and just understanding the question. I'm pleased with that, 7 out of 10. Look what I've just done. I've just spilt water on the iPad. That's a disaster. Bear with me. We're all right. Now, I'm probably gonna have a break because I've been working forever, and I do have another test that I need to get done. I'm just gonna check when I need to get it done by. We just have to watch some summary lectures for that. In fact, I can tick this test off my to-do list now. Tick off. We actually finished quite nicely. It's, well, 7:05 and the plan was to finish at 7. So, excuse me, we worked quite well. Okay, we've got a workshop test which is on MATLAB and LaTeX, and we have to watch some videos that basically summarise that before we do the test. I think the test is available until Friday. Then we have another test that I've got to do. Yes, I've got my coursework that I need to do for Friday as well. So I'm probably going to do that probably tonight if I can, but it's really hard, the coursework. It's like questions that are just really, really hard. It's on, I can't think what it's on, cryptography, is that how you say it? Cryptography, like how you do secret messages and, I can't think of the word, encrypt messages, is that right? Yeah, we need to do those, but I'm probably going to have a break and maybe do a little bit of my coursework later tonight and do the workshop test tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm pleased with my 7 out of 10. I think I got 7 out of 10 last time. Maybe it might have been better if I got an 8 this time, I don't know, but we're okay with that. We're pleased. I'm gonna go and chill now. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe. Thank you also for 2,000 subscribers. That's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very, very soon with a brand new video. Bye! Question 8 was 0. Why was it 0?